Oh, whew. I hope you guessed 100 kicks, guys. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the garage. This week, the question is, can we get the barnfind CB175 started after it's been sitting for about 10 years? So there's good news and there's bad news. The bad news is some of the parts haven't arrived, so it kind of screws us a little bit for this video. The good news is, though, we just might have enough to get the bike started. It won't be perfect, but we can finish off the few little bits later. So yeah, we're just going to give it a go, guys. But before I can even think about kicking this thing over, there's still a ton to do. So here's everything that needs to be done, guys. We're going to need to rebuild the carbs and replace the petcock. These two jobs I can do because I have parts. I'm going to need to change the spark plugs. Unfortunately, spark plugs haven't arrived yet, so I'm going to have to chance it with the old ones. We'll see if we can get a spark. New fuel lines, we can do that. I have the new fuel lines there. Air boxes, all good. We have that. We can change the oil. Tank is clean. And clean the oil filter and the crankcase. Unfortunately, the parts haven't arrived for that yet, guys. So that's going to have to be a job we do afterwards as well. And then, yeah, we're going to start her up. So first things first, guys. Hardest job. Let's rebuild these carbs. Let's just jump into it and get going. Alright, guys, so that is everything disassembled from both carbs, and I've given everything a kind of a once over with carb cleaner, but I'm going to put the main bodies and everything into the dishwasher now to get them as clean as possible. Then we'll come back, take a look at how they are before we start assembly.
3 hours later.
Everything is out of the dishwasher, guys. Everything is looking 10 times better, a hell of a lot cleaner. So let's go ahead and just get them assembled. Alright, guys, that's the carbs done and back on the bike. Now, to finish off the tank, I have a brand new petcock, I have some new fuel lines, and I have 2 new tank mounts. All of this stuff comes from Common Motor, guys. If you want to go check them out, I'll leave a link in the description. But for one of the most satisfying jobs, easiest jobs to do, I'm going to pop these on. This is going to be pretty satisfying. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Let's get the petcock done. Just have to remove the old petcock. So that's the new petcock on, guys. Let's get some fuel lines done. Alright guys, so that is the new fuel lines in, filters in place, everything's connected up. Alright guys, so the carbs are done, petcock is done, fuel lines are in. Now, let's change the oil, and yeah, let's check and see if we have some spark after that. Let's do it. Alright guys, oil is changed. I put 1.5 litres in, which is the recommended. It's 1.6 quarts. So let's check these spark plugs. I haven't taken them out since I got the bike, so let's check the spark plugs, see if we can get any spark. And then, yeah, we got to put some fuel in, guys, and maybe see if we can kick this thing over. That doesn't look great. It's dry, but it doesn't look too bad. Let's see if we can get a spark out of it. Yeah, as I said, these were the original spark plugs, guys, so let's check this spark. Ooh. Oh, we've got a good spark. Yes. Can you see that? Yes. Let's check the other side, guys. Oh, that's got a healthy spark, guys. Yes. Check that out. Yes, guys, let's get some fuel in this. I think this bike's going to kick over. Have a guess in the comments below, guys, how many kicks it's going to take. But let's get this bike kicked over. Alright guys, so that we have fuel. Exhaust is on. You've seen that we had spark. Let's turn on the petcock and fingers crossed we've got no leaks. Let's give it a shot. And let's see if we've got fuel flowing. Nothing yet. No fuel flowing yet, but I think it's because I only filled it up as high as the res. So let's just see if I switch this up, if we get some fuel flowing. Yes. Alright guys, so we've got some fuel flowing. So far so good. No leaks. No leaks so far. Alright. Let's try kick it over and see what happens. Let's see how these first kicks go. See if we can get any going. Here goes nothing. Let's prime it. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, guys, I think we got something. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh. Come on. Let's just see if we move this. What's this out? Let's see what happens. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. Let's give it something. No leaks, we're good. She doesn't want to start. Oh, come on. Come on. Whew. I hope you guessed 100 kicks, guys, because it's going to be 100 kicks. Okay, let's do this. Come on. Right, let's just check. Just get fuel. Sparker's there. Okay, let's just go. Oh, come on. Won't idle. It started though. Woo! We've got a runner, guys. We've got a runner. Nice. One more time for good measure, guys. Do it. Come on. So that is it, guys. We have a runner and it sounds pretty damn awesome. I'm loving the exhaust. Let me know what you think. But there are a couple of issues that still need to be fixed. Yeah, there's a little bit of a leak coming from one of the fuel lines. I think it's the fuel filter that's in the middle. Yeah, I think it's not worth a damn. So probably going to have to change that out or just run a straight fuel line. Other than that, we'll have to figure out the idling issue. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think the idling issue could be. Maybe it's just that the fuel isn't getting through that fuel filter and it's not holding up. Or, yeah, let me know what you think. But guys, we have a runner. It sounds freaking awesome. Let me know in the comments what you think of the exhaust. And guys, I appreciate you checking out the video. Please come back next time. Check out how this bike, we're going to finish off the few little bits and I'll show you exactly how the bike turns out. But guys, please like and subscribe because it seriously helps me out. And until next time, as always, sláinte.